AVAproject may look like a traditional spreadsheet application. It was, after all, modeled after one. But in terms of functionality, it's so much more. AVAproject offers a number of specialized features, specifically designed to enhance the detailing and estimating processes, making them faster and more efficient. One such feature is AVAproject's Smart Clipboard. When information is copied or moved between applications, such as spreadsheets, Windows makes a temporary copy of the data into something called the Windows Clipboard. Here it is retained to be pasted elsewhere. As useful a tool as the clipboard is, it's not without certain limitations. When information is pasted into an application, the sequence of the original data is preserved, meaning it is pasted in the same order it appeared as when it was copied. When copying and pasting from one spreadsheet to another, this means that the column layout must be identical in both. Otherwise, the data won't line up properly with the column headers in the destination sheet. This is not the case within AVAproject, thanks to an innovative feature called the Smart Clipboard. Entire rows can be copied from one opening schedule to another, regardless of the column layout of each. When rows are copied, by highlighting a range and selecting Copy from the context menu, AVAproject makes a copy of the source data to its own internal Smart Clipboard, in addition to its standard Windows counterpart. In doing so, AVAproject copies all the data contained in a given row, including columns that are shown, as well as those that are hidden. When rows are pasted into another opening schedule, AVAproject takes the data from its internal clipboard and pastes each row's data into the correct columns, regardless of which columns are visible or in which order. The Smart Clipboard eliminates the necessity to rearrange columns between schedules. This method also works when information is copied from one project to another within a single instance of AVAproject. When pasting AVAproject data to another application, Windows copies data from its standard clipboard and pastes the data just as it appears in AVAproject. When copying data in from an outside application, such as an Excel spreadsheet, it's important to replicate the sequence of the original column layout. Begin by arranging the columns in AVAproject to correspond with those of the source spreadsheet. If there are column types that don't correspond to any of those predefined in AVAproject, user-defined columns can be created to accommodate that data as well. Select the range of rows in the source spreadsheet. Position the cursor in AVAproject to the top left corner of the destination range. Select Paste External from the Edit menu. As data is pasted into the opening schedule, AVAproject will attempt to format the data to be consistent with user preferences. Lists of opening numbers are cleaned up, formatted, then counted automatically. Measurements are converted to the respective arrangement, and catalog options are recognized wherever they match the proper nomenclature. Door and frame nomenclature is even validated against the catalogs when a manufacturer has been selected. Of course, once the data has been imported, the column can be rearranged or hidden as desired. The column layout for the source spreadsheet can be saved as an AVAproject view style, so it can be reused to import additional data in the future.